Good morning, dear students of class 6. Today we will discuss about the exercise of chapter adjective. You can see exercise 4. In this exercise 4, you have to find out interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. So, in first line, as I told you, interrogative adjectives ask the question, and possessive adjective shows the position. Here in sentences, my sister has misplaced her phone. So here my sister, as I told you, adjectives are used before noun. So here sister is noun, and before the word sister, my is used. So my sister, here my shows the possession on sister. So that's why here my is possessive adjective. And her phone. So her is also possessive adjective because it is used before the word phone, that is noun. In second sentence, don't sit on my chair. Whose chair? My chair. So my is also here possessive adjective. It shows possession on chair. Number third, which is your class? So here which is used, but you have to keep in mind two kinds of WH words are used in this exercise. First is the interrogative pronoun and second is the interrogative adjective. So how you identify which is interrogative adjective and which is interrogative pronoun? So interrogative, the WH word which asks the question, that is interrogative pronoun, always used before verb or before the helping verb, main verb or the helping verb. So here WH word that is also WH word and asks the question, but it is interrogative pronoun, not interrogative adjective, because it is used before the verb is. And in this line, in this sentence, your is possessive adjective because it shows possession on class. Your class. Whose class? Your class. In next sentence, which car is yours? In this sentence also WH word is used, which asks the question, but in this sentence that is interrogative adjective because it is used just before the noun. Car is noun here and it is used just before the word car, and it asks the question, that's why it is interrogative adjective, not interrogative pronoun. Here in the sentence, who has taken my pencil? So my pencil, whose pencil? My pencil here. My is also possessive adjective. In this sentence, are these their books? Whose books? Their books. So there also shows the possession on books, so that's why it is possessive adjective. In next sentence, no, they are our books. So whose books? Our books. So our is also possessive adjective. 8 number sentence, which bag may I take? As I told here in sentence 4 and 5, sorry, 3 and 4, that is WH word and it is used just before the noun bag. So that's why it is interrogative adjective. In 9 sentence, what book? Same as sentence 8, what is used just before the word book? So that is noun, and before that noun, what is used? So that's why it is interrogative adjective, not interrogative pronoun. In 10 sentence, what is your name? Whose name? Your name. So the word that is possessive adjective, it shows the possession on name. And then 11 sentence, which house? That is also interrogative adjective and it is used just before the word house, and that is noun, so it is interrogative adjective. In 12th sentence, by which road did the policeman go? So here by which road? Road is also noun, and before the word noun, WH word which is used, that is interrogative adjective, not interrogative pronoun. So in this way, your exercise 4 is completed. Dear students, It's our exercise 5. In this exercise, you have to fill the correct form of adjective. है ना? Fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjective. Correct form of adjective is here degree of comparison. Degree of comparison are three kinds. First is the positive degree, second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. What is the positive degree? Positive degree is the simple form of adjective. Simple, tall, taller, tallest. So tall is the positive degree, taller is the comparative degree, and tallest is the superlative degree. So positive degree, that is the first means simple form of the adjective. Comparative degree, when we compare two things, two nouns, in that case we use comparative degree. And when we compare more than two things or two nouns, so in that case we use superlative degree. So according to these degrees we have to complete our sentences and correct, or we have to fill the correct form of adjective. So here in first sentence, her name is pretty dash dash than 9. So what is given here? So in that is the comparative degree. So in we will fill the comparative degree in the blank. So her name is prettier than mine. What will be there? Pretty, prettier, prettiest. So prettier will be there. That is the comparative degree. Second sentence, cheetah are the dash animal we can find. So here superlative degree will be there. So cheetahs are the fastest animal we can find. So fastest, that is the superlative degree. Third is eating fruit and vegetable is healthy dash than eating hot dogs. So here healthy, healthier, healthiest. So that is the superlative comparative degree, because than is applied and it is compared with two things. So here superlative degree will be comparative degree will be applied, healthier. Number 4, I like milk dash than coffee. That is also comparative degree. So good is the word adjective, and the good, better, best. All three forms of good, better, best. So better is the comparative degree. China has dash people than any other country in the world. So China has many more, most, or much more, most. These are the forms of degree. So here many, more, that will be the more, that is comparative degree. People than any other country in the world. So more will be there, that is the comparative degree. The blue whale is the dash animal in the world. So it is superlative degree, heavy, heavier, heaviest. So heaviest is the superlative degree of heavy. And seventh number, which is dash Portugal or Spain. So what will be there? Here is the comparison between Portugal and Spain. So that will be the comparative degree, bigger. Eighth number, buying things made from plastics is dash than buying things from recycled paper. So that is also comparative degree, because than is applied. So we will clear the comparative degree here, bad, worse, worst. So worst is the comparative degree. Ninth number, the Nile is the dash river in the world. So it is the superlative degree will be there, long, longer, longest, because Nile is the longest river in the world. It is Nile is compared with all the rivers. It is compared with more than 2 rivers. So longest will be there, superlative degree. 10th number, Antarctica is one of the best place in on earth. So colder, coldest, superlative degree, coldest will be there, because here Antarctica is compared with all the places on earth. So it is coldest place on earth. So that's why that will be the superlative degree there.